Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on a one-room cleaning with stairs here. This is pet cleaning. As you can see, there's some stains here. See the stains there, stain here, here. I already treated these with a special treatment, a pet treatment. All right, some stains there. All right. And I actually just got started here. You can see there's a line here. That's with me getting started. So you can already see it. I just started it and I just did that little area just to test it out. You can see there's a traffic in here. There's a little heavy gray area right in here. And let's see the stairs. Heavy traffic in here. We're going to try to tackle this pet stain here. We had this treatment sat down here for about 7 minutes. I want to do the first pass over it. We might have to redo it again, depending on how it comes up. We're just going to take our time for that. Thoroughly dry the area. Look at that, no more stain. Let's try to get this pet stain over here. Now these stains been down for a while. They're coming up pretty good. Look at that. No more stain. In this video here, we're showing the color difference here. If you look to the right, you can see how it's like a brownish, and the carpet on the front near the curtains are actually gray. You can see it coming up here in the video. Also at the end of the video, you will see there's like an L shape, and that's just the color difference from the cleaner that we were doing. In this picture here, we're showing the color difference. As you can see by the curtains, it's gray, and back behind that, it's like a brownish gray. That's what we were tackling, and that's what it looked like before. All right, so we have part of the room done over here. There was a heavy gray area in here starting. You can see where it's still here, and I'm dumping the water. You can see there's clean waters in there, and here's the water that comes out. The customer was impressed with the floor and the way it came out, the stains, so we went ahead and tackled the rug 2 upstairs, and you can tell on the left side has been clean, the right side has not been clean. Alright guys, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. I'm finished with the one-room cleaning and the stairs here. As you can see, these floors turned out great. Over here there were stains from pet stains, gone. Over here there were stains. Back here. Alright, there were stains all over the floor. In this area it was really brown in here. We got all that up. Even here at the front door, really dark and brown. All right, let's take a look at the stairs. So there were pet stains everywhere. Stairs had a brownish tint to it. Took that out. Even in here.